In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a JSON object, in this case for an action menu, as you see there. And these are the data structures that represent above JSON requests. So now we're going to go to the S400, where we're going to type code handler, press enter, and then we're going to type option 3 for the handler configuration and press enter here, and then I'm going to press function 6 to add a new module. I'm going to call it menu items, and then I'm going to type the wrapper program, and then for the override values, I'm going to leave it as is. I'm going to click enter OK. Now I'm going to type 6 for the parameter list, press function 6. I'm going to type menu, which is going to be the name of the full data structure. I'm going to leave everything empty, as you see there. Now I'm going to add the menu data, which I know is for 20, as you see there, for those two fields. And then it's going to be nested inside the menu. And then I'm going to copy that one, and then now I'm going to define the menu item, which is an array. That one is 40 in length. I'm going to set it up for just 10 number of elements. Press enter. Now I'm going to press F12, and then it's asking me to resequence. I'm going to click on function 7 to resequence. Now everything is under parameter 1. Press F12 to get out. Now I'm going to enter the in and out. Now I'm going to press F6 here to add the definition of field. Select input. Function 4. Now I'm going to select menu data first. Then I'm going to define field ID, which is 10 in length, starting in position 1. That's going to be inside the menu object, the menu pattern, and then that's the ID, and then that's the default value for the schema. Now I'm going to copy that one, input as well, then I'm going to change it to value, same length, and it's going to start in position 11. And then for the child, it's going to be value, and then the default value is going to be 5 with uppercase. Now I need to define the array, which is inside the pop-up, and menu item. Now let's do function 6, input, press function 4, then select menu item. Here I'm going to select it as a placeholder to define the starting of the array. And then I'm going to name the array, which is menu item. And then the pattern is inside menu, pop-up, and menu items. So the object is separated with a dot, pop-up, menu item. Press enter. It's asking me to select the start of a multi-row, which I forgot. Press yes there, press enter now. So now I'm going to define the fields inside the array. Pick menu item. Then I'm going to define the first field, which is value. It's 10 in length. Starting on position 21. And then the pattern is menu, pop-up, menu item. The child name is value. And I'm going to add the default value for the schema, which is in this case I'm going to type new. Press enter. Now I'm going to define the on-click one. I'm going to copy that one. Input, it's gonna be fill on click. That one is 30, and it's gonna start and the location is 31. And then the child name, it's gonna be on click, and then I'm gonna type create new doc as the schema default value. Press enter. Now I'm gonna create the end row field. I'm gonna copy that one. I'm just gonna change the start to no and the end to yes. And then it's gonna the back start sequence is gonna be 3. Press enter. Okay, that's created. Now I'm gonna click a function 12. Now it's ready. Now we're gonna go to test it out to see the schema. We're gonna go to Postman. Where I'm gonna copy one of the schema definitions on the get to create the new one I just did. I'm gonna duplicate this one. Now I'm gonna rename it. So now I'm gonna name it menu items schema. Press enter to save it. Now I'm gonna change the old name. I'm gonna put menu items. I'm gonna put the request here. Now I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna send it. Now as you see, by just leaving the request, it's gonna show me the request with the field definitions. And now we're gonna see the values that we added for the schema. We're gonna do send. You see the values. So this is pretty handy to have both flavors with the values and with the definition. And that's pretty easy to do.